Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your email in the Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there, which typically displays either your profile picture or a circular icon with your initial. This is where all your account management options are located. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu that shows your current account information and various options related to your Google account. From this menu, you'll need to click on the Sign Out option. This action will log you out of your current Google account in Chrome, which is necessary before you can switch to a different email address. Don't worry, signing out won't delete any of your browser data or bookmarks. After you've signed out, look at the top right corner of your browser again. You'll now see that your profile icon has changed or disappeared since you're no longer signed in. Click on the Sign In button that appears in that same area. This will initiate the process of adding a new account to Chrome. A new window or panel will appear prompting you to sign in. Here you'll see options for accounts you've previously used on this browser. However, since you want to use a different email, click on Use Another Account. This option allows you to add a completely new Google account that hasn't been used in Chrome before. Next, you'll be taken to the Google Sign-In page where you'll need to input your email address in the provided field. Type in the email you want to use for Chrome and then click Next to proceed. The system will verify your email and move you to the next step of the authentication process. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in the password associated with the email address you just entered, making sure to enter it correctly. Once you've typed your password, click Next to complete the sign-in process. Chrome will now log you in with your new email address. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email in Chrome browser and can now access all your Google services with your new account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.